Hi friends, I just installed this ironing board holder, and of course I have a mess here of dust from the drill. So I am going to use my Belife vacuum that it's over there. Let me show you. I installed it here in the laundry. Really useful. You can charge it here in the Belife vacuum base. This one is easy to use. You just turn it on here. It has a light, so you see what you are doing. And you have a special accessory to clean other places like this. Let me show you. We are going to use this one. That's it. Perfect. You get the accessories and just put them there. You get other accessories like this one. You can use it with or without this scrub for corners or corners that you have to scrub, okay? When you're finished, you hang it here and you charge it. Perfect. Thank you.